Yo, what's up? It is Instant Greymind here. Last time I was checking my water sample from my favorite sampler source, Ravas Waterdam. It is the richest diversity of all my samples. And for first time I found heliozoa. Even though I use microscope for more than a half a year, at least once a week, I had the honor to meet this guy just while recording this shot. I still was not recovered from such a surprise, and I noticed I was twice as lucky. Here the heliozoa is undergoing a binary fission. That means it is reproducing in asexual way. One individual is making copy of its genes and organs and is dividing those copies to two daughter cells, which are clones of its parental cell. As soon as I notice this is happening, I choose to stay and record the whole process. It is a shame that I did not record any of hunting show, but at least we can see it digests some sort of algae, probably, but I hope I will soon find more of those bad boys, and that opportunity of recording catching its prey will come. Here you can see how those daughter cells are moving and leaving between them a channel which reduces in its thickness, and in the end it separates to two parts for both daughter cells as its new projection. If someone knows more to explain how their binary fission works, please explain in comments. I was not able to find anything in the internet, and I'm also an amateur. I hope you at least somehow like this video, because this was my first edit of long video, so I see it as some start for editing longer videos. And of course, if you like this, leave a like, subscribe, and so on. See ya later.